Omron 3G3RX VFD fault codes E11 to E20. Easy explanation. Part 2. Voice over E11 CPU error. Restart the drive. If the fault remains, the control board may need service. E12 external trip. Check the external fault input and connected safety devices. E13 ground fault. Inspect motor insulation and output cable wiring. E14 overheat. Improve cooling and check the cooling fan and ventilation. E15 fan error. Inspect or replace the cooling fan. E16 communication error. Check communication cable, settings, and network connections. E17 option card error. Reseat the option card and verify compatibility. E18 parameter error. Review incorrect parameter settings and restore if necessary. E19 auto-tuning error. Check motor wiring and motor nameplate data, then run auto-tuning again. E20 encoder error. When encoder feedback is used, check encoder wiring, power supply, and feedback signals. Follow electrical K2L for more PLC, VFD, servo, and industrial automation.